Hey everyone! Today we'll be going through how to create and manage work orders. But before we dive into the details, make sure you check out our videos on tag management and user management in Navigator. So what is a work order? A work order is a service request for tasks like plumbing, electrical work, carpentry, and other maintenance needs. It helps businesses stay organized by assigning and tracking tasks to make sure they're completed on time. In this video, we'll use a real example to show the process from start to finish, from creating the work order as a customer to completing it as a contractor. Let's dive in. Let's imagine you are a house owner and your kitchen sink is leaking. You need a plumber, so you head to the storefront and click on the Book a Work Order button. You have two options here. You can either upload a video to show the problem. Let's say you record a quick video of the water leaking under the sink, or you can just describe the issue in text. In this case, you might write something like, "The kitchen sink has a serious leak under the faucet." After that, you select your preferred time. For example, you might need the plumber to come tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. because the issue is urgent. So, you set the urgency to high, click Next, and you'll see your saved address. If it's your first time, you can add a new address. Once the address is confirmed, hit Submit, and your plumbing work order is successfully created. Now let's switch over to the business admin side in Navigator. Here he can view all the work orders created by customers, including the one for the leaky kitchen sink. To make sure the right contractor sees this work order, the admin first needs to create a tag. In this case, they'll go to the Tags page and create a tag called Plumber. This tag will be used to categorize any work related to plumbing services, like our kitchen sink example. Once the tag is created in the Tags page, it becomes available for assignment to work orders and users. This is the entity-level assignment. With the plumber tag available, the admin goes to the user account page and assigns the plumber tag to a contractor who specializes in plumbing. Now this contractor is tagged as a plumber and will only be notified about plumbing jobs. Similarly, he can now go to the work order page and assign it to the plumbing job, the one with the leaky kitchen sink. Once the plumber tag is applied, the admin can change the work order status from new to evaluation. At this point, all contractors tagged with plumber will receive a notification about the available job. Now let's see what happens on the contractor's side. When the contractor logs in, they'll see two tabs, New and Assigned. In the New tab, they can view all the work orders that match their tags. Since this is a plumbing job and the contractor has the plumber tag, he will see this work order. The contractor then places a bid. For example, he may bid rupees 500 for the repair, with availability at 10 a.m. tomorrow, and add any additional notes like, includes parts replacement if needed. Remember, multiple contractors might bid for the same work order, and this system allows the customer to compare bids. Customers can look at not only the price but also the contractor's availability. As a customer, they can track the progress of their work order in the work order history page in the storefront. They will see real-time updates on the status of their work order. Once the bid is submitted by contractors, the customer can review it and choose the best contractor for the job. Once the customer selects the plumber for the job, the contractor gets a notification that they've been assigned the work order. Now the contractor can see the work order under the Assigned tab. On the job day, they update the status from Assigned to In Progress once they start the job. After completing the plumbing repair, the contractor marks the work order as completed and the job is officially finished. And that's how you can create and manage a work order from start to finish. We covered everything from creating and assigning tags, bidding for the job, and completing it. This process makes it easier for businesses and contractors to stay organized while delivering great service.